The following live blood studies were conducted by Dr. Stansel on 5 of his patients who had evidence of poor health and low energy levels. Each saw remarkable results after taking Youngevity products. Here you see a 40-year-old male, slightly overweight. Notice his red blood cells are clumped together or aggregated. They're stacked like coins, which inhibits the transfer of oxygen to the various tissues of his body. After about 2 months on Youngevity products, we see how this man's blood has improved dramatically. He has been taking fruits and vegetables and bone builder with each meal, and a regular supplement of other Youngevity products such as Super Cell Protector. We see very clear plasma and the red blood cells flowing very freely. This is a 27-year-old young woman who has poor eating habits and is a smoker. You can see her red blood cells are very aggregated, and there's a lot of free radical damage to the red blood cell walls. She has complained of very low energy levels. After just 3 days on Super Cell Protector, you can see the evidence of its effectiveness. The red blood cells are flowing more freely and the plasma is much clearer. Notice the free radical damage has improved. It's a great beginning. Here we have a 57-year-old female with poor eating habits, such as a frequent diet of Mexican food. You can see that her red blood cells are stacked like coins. In addition, notice the black specks floating in her plasma. These are the fat particles from her high-fat diet. She complained of frequent headaches and a low energy level. After just 1 month, you can see some of the most dramatic changes we have seen in the quality of her red blood cells and plasma clarity. She has been taking fruits and vegetables and bone builder with every meal, and Super Cell Protector and aloe vera in the morning and evening. Here you have a 65-year-old male. He has fairly good eating habits, but there's evidence of some liver stress by the uric acid present in his plasma. The floating crystals are cholesterol and plaque. The clumped red blood cells are inhibiting the normal transfer of oxygen into the tissues of the body. He complains of being very tired in the afternoon and evenings. After about 1 month using a regular regimen of Youngevity products at every meal, you can see the effectiveness it has had on his red blood cells, which are nice and plump, an indication of a healthy blood cell, and his plasma is much clearer. He's changed his dietary habits to mostly fruits and vegetables and very little meat. This blood study is of a 54-year-old female. You can see the free radical damage and the rouleau or coin-like stacking of the red blood cells which inhibit the flow of oxygen to the tissues of the body. She complains of frequent energy lulls at various times during the day. After about 1 month on Youngevity products, the blood study shows a remarkable improvement. But because there's still some bacteria and yeast contamination, she has committed herself to a daily regimen of Super Cell Protector, super high potency antioxidants, fruits and vegetables, and bone builder.
Okay, I think you'll agree that that's a very dramatic example or demonstration of what can happen in your blood with some nutritional supplements.